Hi guys, it's Shell, Heart of It All Custom Creations. Welcome back to a special video. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button to see future videos. I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. However, today is a special video. Today I am partnering with Creative Fabrica and Anne Stokes. But I'm going to talk more about what's going on than really about the tutorial itself. But I am using a 20-ounce hog red glow-in-the-dark sublimation tumbler, and I got this image from Creative Fabrica. The artist is Anne Stokes. I will talk a little bit more about her a little later, but this collection that she has on Creative Fabrica is for personal use only. There is no commercial license. However, you can buy it as a single sale, or if you are a Creative Fabrica member, you can get a 30% discount. So a little bit about Anne Stokes. She is a world-renowned fantasy artist known for her captivating and mystical illustrations. The fantasy art of Anne Stokes features striking designs and real-life portrayals of fantasy subjects. Her art covers a broad range of themes, from romantic and magical enchanted forests to the dark underworld of gothic vampires. So I picked this image because I had this red glow-in-the-dark tumbler, and I thought that would go perfectly. And then I just paired it with just a damask background to it because I wanted some white still showing so that when it did glow, it would glow red. So like I said, that this is a special that they are running. If you are a Creative Fabrica member, you will get 30% off of the price. So definitely check out the Anne Stokes collection on Creative Fabrica. I'll have a link in the description box below. If you want to join Creative Fabrica, you get your first 10 downloads free. And then after that, depending on which you choose to do, it's only $9 a month after that, or pay by the year, which is a much better deal. And it works out to about $4.99 a month. So yeah, that's what I've done. Anyway, I am taping up this tumbler and getting ready to sublimate. I've already preheated my convection oven to 400 degrees, and I will, after taping this thing up, I just do tape around the seam, and then my cat just fell, sorry. And then I do go and all the way around and just secure that. And then I'm going to take a piece of just regular copy paper, wrap that around the tumbler so that if there is any bleeding, it will gas off onto the paper and not my silicone sleeve. If you are not familiar with these silicone sleeves, I highly recommend them. They are such a game changer for sublimating your tumblers. I just slip my tumbler right into this sleeve, and depending on how tight I got the copy paper and how much tape I use, sometimes it just slides right in. Other times I have to kind of just like pound it in there like that, but it goes on super easy. And then I will place this in my convection oven for a total of 5 minutes at 400 degrees, but I do flip it halfway through. Once that is done, it's time to remove all this tape. And this tumbler is hot, let me tell you. So, yeah, definitely wear a glove. And then I just remove the copy paper first, before I remove the actual sublimation paper. And look how good this looks. Oh, I love it. So I am going to, after it cooled, I am going to paint the bottom and glitter it. I didn't want to just leave the bottom white. And I will be epoxying this, but not in this tutorial. You guys have seen the epoxy process 1,000 times. But I wanted to hurry up and get this video done, so I definitely did not want to make you guys wait. So here I'm just mixing up some red acrylic paint. It doesn't have to match, just to cover the white. And I am mixing it with the Crystalac glitter glue, which I have come obsessed with using the glitter glue. Mix that together and just do a fairly quick coat of paint. Like I said, it doesn't need to be perfect, but I just wanted to get it at least red. And I am using Burgundy Carnation by Maestra Creations. The lid just broke and popped off. I got these bottles. The glitter comes in bags, and I buy these bottles off of Amazon. And either I was very forceful or it was already broke. I don't know. But anyway, I just glitter the bottom, and then I'm going to tap off any excess, remove the tape, and then any place that the paint might have seeped under, I am just going to glitter that as well. And then I'm going to let this sit off to dry for just a few hours, and then I will then epoxy it. But before epoxying, that's already been sealed. Before epoxy, this is what it's turned out like, and it's beautiful. But let me show you it glowing. Look at this. This is just perfect. But yes, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Make sure to check out the Anne Stokes Collection with Creative Fabrica. If you like this video, give it a great big thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.